Most courses make use of multiple choice questions, so let's have a look at how to create these. To add a new question, you need to scroll to the bottom of your course content and choose to add a block. Then you'll need to add a component. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll take a look at an existing question to see how it works. Okay, firstly, select the cog and choose the Edit option. Then you'll see the title and the introductory text fields. Next, here is the instruction for the learner, and we see that there are 4 response options with one marked as true. This indicates that this is a single response question. The 3 incorrect options are shown as false in the correct answer field, and you'll see there's one listed as true, so the true one is marked as the correct answer. For reference, the multiple choice question component is relevant for both single correct answer responses and multiple correct answer response type questions. To edit any response options, all you need to do is to click into an existing response option to view it and make any changes if necessary. As you can see, there's an Add button. This button allows you to create more responses. However, when you create a new multiple choice question, you will need to specify in each response option box whether it is a correct or incorrect option. Okay, let's now see how this question displays in your course. Let's now have a quick look at what a multiple answer option looks like. When you're creating questions, perhaps consider if the options are practical and viable, and that you're providing meaningful feedback. Oh, and of course, please avoid writing ambiguous or double negative questions, as poorly written questions are going to unnecessarily confuse the learner.